Places to visit and see in Istanbul are very impressive. Istanbul offers great sights and points of interest for its visitors. Of course, it is not possible to mention all the best Istanbul sights. But here you may find the most fascinating, top the ones that you won't want to miss on your Istanbul visit. You want to know some new food in Istanbul. At the end of this video, we are going to tell you about the new cuisine of Istanbul. Must watch the video till the end. Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque. If you only have time for one thing in Istanbul, it should be the Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia is a former church and museum, now a mosque. It is one of the world's greatest architectural works and accepted as the eighth wonder of the world. Experience the history in the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. As it serves as a mosque now, entrance to Hagia Sophia is free of charge. Step inside this amazing wonder. The Hagia Sophia still retains the elements of Christian and Islamic religions. The Blue Mosque. Walk across Sultanahmet Square to the Blue Mosque. Built in 1616. The Blue Mosque is famous for the intricate blue tile work that covers the interior of the building. It is free to enter, and if you have never been inside of a mosque before, this is a good one to start with. There are particular rules you must follow when entering a mosque, and because of the large numbers of tourists that visit the Blue Mosque every day, the entrance procedures are well explained here. On this walking tour, visit both the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque with a knowledgeable guide. The Grand Bazaar Istanbul. Are you looking for the best places to go shopping in Istanbul? Then must visit the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul. The Grand Bazaar in Istanbul is more than 500 years old and remains one of the largest covered bazaars in the world, and the most attractive area for tourists. Its 60 streets contain at least 5,000 shops, 60 restaurants, 18 fountains, 12 mosques, and even a school. Grand Bazaar is famous for its carpets, leather, ceramics, souvenirs, and jewelry. It's hard not to get lost in this huge bazaar. So try to remember where you went before you roam. Topkapi Palace. Topkapi Palace is a view you cannot afford to miss while you are in Istanbul. The Topkapi Palace was the administrative center of the Ottoman Empire. Now a complex of stalls and pavilions, this was where generations of sultans made their main residence for almost half a century. One of the best places to visit in Topkapi Palace is the harem, where the mother of the sultan, his wives, and his concubines lived. Make sure you go all the way to the end to get stunning views of the Sea of Marmara, the Bosphorus, and the Golden Horn. Head underground at the Basilica Cistern. The Basilica Cistern is one of Istanbul's most surprising tourist attractions. This huge, palace-like underground hall, supported by 336 columns in 12 rows, once stored the imperial water supply for the Byzantine emperors. Many of the columns used in construction were recycled from earlier classical structures and featured decorative carvings. The most famous of these are the column bases, known as the Medusa stones, in the northwest corner with their Medusa head carvings. While in Istanbul, try some of the local foods. Kofta are meatballs made with lamb or beef. Pide is delicious Turkish pizza. Sis kebabs, skewers of cooked meat, are delicious. Doner is a meat sandwich made from lamb. This half-day food tour, led by a local guide, includes a visit to both sides of the Bosphorus River. Try Kurdish foods, learn how to smoke a water pipe, cross the Bosphorus by ferry, and more. If you like our video and the food suggestions, let us know in comments section. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting places.